All right, YouTubers. Hola, mis queridos YouTubers. Welcome to week 14 video strategies. This is going to be a tutorial that's actually going to knock out about 35 points. And this tutorial is going to be for creating a screencast and collaborating on Padlet. Those 35 points are available on line 48 and 23. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to get the software to be able to make a screencast. You want to do that, or you can do that by typing in, let's see, it is Google Chrome Store. And you need to be using Google Chrome, first of all. So you go into the Google Chrome Store, and let's see, I go here, Google Chrome apps. So you think of your phone has apps. Well, guess what? The Google Chrome browser also has apps. Now, the apps, it refers to them as extensions. So I'm going to type in here Screencastify. And the one I want to use is this here at the top, Screencastify. Screencastify is going to allow me to make a video tutorial that I could share with my students, and you all being my students. So I click here on Add to Chrome. It says Add Extension, and I say yes. And now it does this thing where it says it's checking, and then this thing over here where it looks like I'm getting a virus, but I'm actually okay. At least I'm hoping I'm okay. And then I do that thing where I try and start stalling because it's downloading too slow. And I had a great weekend. I hope everyone else did. Here we go. So it says Screen Video Recorder has been added to Chrome. Use this extension by clicking on this icon or by pressing Alt-Shift-S. Awesome. And so this is my extension up here, and this right here is going to tell me, this right here is what's going to allow me to record. You all are also going to make a recording, but you're going to be making a recording on any TechQuest activity that you have particularly enjoyed, or an easy one if you sign yourself up quick enough. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to click right here, and I'm going to make a screencast of a screencast. So let's see, I can sign in with Google, automatically save videos to Google Drive, highly recommended, awesome. Go right here, Gonzalez, it's the one I'm going to sign in with. Do I want it to unlock my camera and drawing and annotation tools? Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you. And then it says here in my recordings that I have not recorded anything yet. Cool deal. And so now I'm actually ready to start recording. So I'm going to close these out and show you what that looks like. So you see here at the top right, it says Screencast Video Record. And I have my microphone. I don't have a webcam detected, thank God, because my hair is a mess. And I could choose which kind of recording I want to make. I could make a browser tab, where that means it's only going to record what's up here on the tab. So if I switch tabs, it doesn't record them. I could do a desktop where it's just going to record everything on my desktop. And I'll go ahead and do the desktop. And then it shows me what it's going to look like. I say I want this one. I say share.
3, 2, 1.
And now I'm recording, gonna get my YouTube gamer face on. I'm like, oh, hey, welcome back to my channel. Oh, like, subscribe, blah, 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 blah. I'm doing my tutorial. When I'm done with my tutorial, I go back up here, click, stop recording, and voila. Now I get to hear my voice, and it's cringy. So we're going to try and share. Well, before we share, I'm going to call this something. So this is my screen recording. I'm going to rename it to what I actually want it to be. So let's see. I was doing a screencast, and that was right here, TPE4, create a screencast. So let me rename this, TPE4, create a screencast, save it, and I'm going to go ahead and share it. Let's see, could I get the link? Nope. I have to click on the Google Drive here first, get my link, copy that, copy link, and I'm going to go here into the Padlet, and I'm going to create. I'm going to create a little box where I'm going to share my tutorial. So let's see. So I clicked down here. See this right here? Click on it. I say TPE4, create a screencast, and I put the link. I make sure I place the link using the link box. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see, let's wait for it, and voila. Ooh, it says this video is not supported. Let's see what it does about that. And now I'm recording. Cringy, but it works. So that is set up. Last thing I'll say is also make sure, let's see, so I have it in Google Drive. You want to make sure, oh no, it's people who have the link can view it, yeah, so we're set up. You are going to create a tutorial on any activity that you want. So here's the link. I'll show you where the link is. So this is the Padlet. This is where I placed the video. And there's my video. And you are going to go, where is it at? Spreadsheet link. That's right here. And the spreadsheet, you can choose what activity you want to do. So I went down here to, let's see, which one did I choose? I chose Screencast. That's this one down here. And so I'm going to replace the week right here, and I'm going to put my name, Edward Gonzalez. So for example, let's see, yep, so you're just gonna, I'll erase the weeks just so it doesn't confuse anybody. There you go, better. And then Edward Gonzalez. I'm gonna make mine a little bit bigger just so it stands out. I don't want to get kicked out of there. But yeah, you're gonna choose whichever activity you want to do. So say you want to do, you're like, oh, you know, hey, I want to do the keyboards, and then you would put your name here. You would come up with how you would come up with your own screencast. Remember, again, using this button here, and then you would show us how you would do that. If you're not sure how you can do that one, you know, maybe you do the URL shortener and you make a screencast on your URL shortener. Maybe you do the create a YouTube playlist and then you make a screencast on the create a YouTube playlist. That is all up to you, but it will go here. Or not on mine, but it will go on your own. You'll click on it, make your own playlist. Bada bing, bada boom. You got yourself 35 points when you put it all up here. So happy happy getting that activity done, and let me know if you need any help.